Media Report, Veg Trend on the Rise in Mongolia. In a recent article for EurasiaNet.org, an information and analysis resource on developments in Central Asia and the Caucasus, Mongolian-based journalist Andrew Cullen explored what he described as an unlikely growth of vegetarian and vegan restaurants across the nation. His article, Vegetarians Rebel Against Mongolian Meat Culture, begins by stating that in Mongolia, livestock outnumber people 14-1. Mr. Cullen traced the surprising new popularity of plant-based fare through statistics and interviews with various Mongolian veg restaurateurs, stating,
"The first vegetarian restaurant in Mongolia, Ananda's Cafe, opened in 2006. Today, more than 20 vegetarian and vegan restaurants dot the capital, Ulaanbaatar, and a handful of others are scattered throughout the country. Ananda's has launched a catering service, and another popular restaurant, Blanca, now sells frozen faux-mutton dumplings in local supermarkets."
Citing interviews with former UN physician and current veg restaurant owner for further insight on new developments in Mongolia eating, Mr. Cullen notes,
"Mongolians are turning to vegetarianism, mostly because of health. Also because of meditation, they're following this trend," says Salongo, a former doctor for the United Nations. Vegetarianism is taking off in popularity as a reaction to the extreme meat consumption of most Mongolians, says Altanzea, a sociologist and a co-owner of Blanca, who considers herself Buddhist. "The more we care about the environment and others and animals, the better we feel," says Altanzea.
Mr. Cullen goes on to explain that in the context of Mongolia's nomadic herding culture, the rising choice toward plant-based living is even more remarkable. In a survey of veg establishments across the country, Mr. Cullen also took note of Loving Hut, the fast-growing international vegan restaurant that began through Supreme Master Qinghai's encouragement. Mongolia now features 9 Loving Hut locales throughout Ulaanbaatar and multiple provinces. Mr. Cullen recalled his conversations while there.
A chef at the Loving Hut, a chain owned by the Supreme Master Qinghai International Association, which promotes meditation and prayer, became a vegetarian in 2008 and in recent months switched to veganism. All part of a commitment to lessening her impact on the environment, she says. A university teacher in Western Havda province also took up vegetarianism 18 months ago after he began practicing the Supreme Master's meditation technique. He doesn't miss meat, he says. "I'm happy being vegetarian. My health has improved."
Our appreciation, Mr. Andrew Cullen and EurasiaNet, for this first-hand report of the increasingly favored veg cuisine in Mongolia. May such heartening news be one of many heralding a globe switch to this deliciously wholesome, caring lifestyle.